How to view notification previews on Facebook Messenger. Firstly, you have to install the Facebook Messenger app from your Android by clicking on the Play Store option. Now you have to open that Facebook Messenger app in your phone. You can see here there are three lines at the left top corner. You have to click on it. You can see there is a gear option. Click on that gear option. You have to scroll this bar and click on notifications and the sounds. Here you can see notification previews. Before setting the notification previews, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. You can see there are different options of the notifications and the sounds here. When you turn it on and off by clicking on it, by setting times or custom notification. Custom means that you have to select your favorite hours in which you want to get your notifications or sounds. Now notification previews, when you turn it on, you will get notification previews on your screen, on your front or on the top. When you will turn it off, you will not get notification previews on your screen. Thank you so much. This procedure was both for both Android as well as for iPhone. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very, very good luck. Thanks.